Righto world, so before I get started on today's video, there's a short message I have to say and it has to be said. Rightio, this is a very important message to Michelle Wood. I believe you're my number one hater. Michelle Wood, I do not have your drone. Your drone's not here. So stop threatening me with bringing the cops around and all the bullshit you're going on about. I do not have your drone. I don't own a drone. Never interested in having a drone. It was never here. The reason why I blocked you on Facebook, well, has nothing to do with a drone that's not here. Basically, because you just used me and didn't even say thank you. So, you know what? You get what you get in return. You got good use out of me, didn't even get a fucking thank you. So, anyway, yeah, threaten me as much as you want. Tell me you're going to bring the cops in. Do whatever you want, mate. I don't give a shit. Your drone's not here. I never even saw your drone, and if you did show me your drone, I don't remember it. So it is definitely not here. So stop trying to threaten me with your messages. So Michelle Wood, there's no drone here. Okay?